Alaikum. Madhupur High School by organizing this program. Here present our Honorable Headmaster, Mr. Abdul Aziz sir, and here also present our Honorable Head Sir Sidra Ashraf High School and our Honorable teachers and loving students. Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, I want to congratulate you those who have arranged such kind of theatre festivals, loving students and honorable persons, honorable teachers. In keeping with the age-old tradition, we have organized such kind of program which has inspired our young generation. Not only our young generation, but also it has inspired our all class students. Here also present different types of political leaders, different types of guardians, and our mass people here also has presented mass people in our area. So I want to congratulate all kinds of students, those who have earned such kind of theatre festivals, and these festivals will remind our young generation. So I am urging all of the students be up to date, be up to date with keeping as of tradition, and is our real heritage, which heritage which heritage bears of our inspiration, our enthusiasm and fervor. So I am informing all kinds of congratulations and greetings those who have arranged such kind of festivals. Thank you. Thanks to all.